How to post full long reels on Instagram story. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily post a long reel on your Instagram story. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and then from here you just want to find any reel that you want to share on your story. And then once you do that, you can just tap on the share button. So what you usually do is head over to the reel section, scroll down, and once you get to your reel section, just tap on the share icon. And then from here, just tap on add to story. And once you do that, only a few seconds of the reel will be shared to your story. But if you want to share the whole reel, what you can do is go back and then tap on the three lines and see if there is a download button available on the reel. And if there is a download button available, you just want to download the reel. And then from there, you can just go ahead and upload it from your phone's camera roll. So I'm just going to scroll down here, tap on this three dots, and if you tap on the share icon, if you see download button like this right here, just go ahead and tap on the download button and you can post it on your Instagram via your camera roll. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.